Scorpions are incredible animals that have been on this planet for over 200 million years. They are one of the oldest known animals in the world, and they've survived many mass extinctions. But they're still feared by many people today because they can be deadly if provoked. There are over 2,000 species of scorpions alive today, and we're going to look at 5 incredible facts about them. Starting with number 5. A scorpion can hold its breath underwater for 6 days. There are many different species of fish in the world that can hold their breath for an extended period of time. For example, the goldfish can hold its breath for up to 4 minutes. However, there is a type of fish that can stay underwater for even longer periods of time. The lungfish can go up to 6 days without needing to breathe air. This is because they have special sacs in their bodies that allow them to absorb oxygen from the water around them. Scorpions also have a special ability to hold their breath. It has been recorded that some scorpions were able to hold their breath for up to 6 days. They do this by slowing their metabolism down so much that they basically stop moving and do onto need to breathe air. This is how scorpions can live in very dry environments where there isn't much water available. This is also why it's not a good idea to keep a scorpion as a pet, because they need to be kept in very dry conditions in order to survive. Next, 4. A scorpion can survive a whole year without food. Humans need to eat food every day in order to survive. If we don't eat, we will eventually die. This is because our bodies need nutrients from food in order to function. Scorpions, on the other hand, don't need to eat as often as we do. In fact, they can go an entire year without eating. Scorpions typically eat insects, but they can also eat other small animals. They usually hunt at night when their prey is most active. When a scorpion finds its prey, it quickly stings it with its tail and paralyzes it. Then it devours its meal. Scorpions can go without food for so long because they have a very slow metabolism. This means that they don't need a lot of energy to survive. They can basically survive on very little food and water. This is why it's important to remember that scorpions are not like dogs or cats. They don't need to be fed every day. In fact, if you try to feed them too often, they may end up dying. So if you ever have a scorpion as a pet, just make sure to give them space and let them eat when they're hungry. No, 3 scorpions can climb almost any surface. There are many different species of insects in the world that can fly, but there are also some that cannot fly. One example of an insect that cannot fly is the cockroach. Cockroaches are known to be able to climb almost any surface. This is because they have a special adaptation on their feet that allows them to grip onto surfaces very easily. Scorpions also have a similar adaptation. Their feet are very sticky, which allows them to climb almost any surface. This is helpful for them because it allows them to get away from predators. It also helps them to find food more easily. Scorpions are predators themselves, and they need to be able to move quickly in order to catch their prey. If they couldn't climb well, they would not be able to survive. There are many different types of scorpions, and they all live in different parts of the world. Some live in deserts and others live in forests. No matter where they live, though, they all need to be able to climb well in order to survive. If a scorpion can't climb well, it's likely to be killed by a predator or starve to death. Climbing is a very important skill for scorpions, and it is something that they must master in order to live. Now, at No. 2, a scorpion glows under ultraviolet light. Scorpions are fascinating creatures that have been on Earth for millions of years. They are known for their ability to sting, but did you know that they also glow under ultraviolet light? This may come as a surprise to you, but it's true. Scorpions actually fluoresce under UV light. This is due to a pigment called scorpine fluorescein, which is found in their exoskeletons. This pigment causes them to glow bright red or orange under UV light. While scientists don't know exactly why scorpions have this ability, it's thought that it may help protect them from predators. The bright color may startle potential predators, giving the scorpion time to escape. Alternatively, the glow may make the scorpion more visible to its prey, making it easier to hunt. Whatever the reason, it's clear that this ability is an important part of the scorpion's survival strategy. In addition to being able to glow under UV light, scorpions are also capable of seeing in the dark. This is thanks to a special adaptation in their eyes that allows them to see better in low light conditions. This makes them nocturnal hunters, meaning that they are most active at night when their prey is most vulnerable. Altogether, these adaptations allow scorpions to thrive in a variety of habitats around the world. From deserts to forests, scorpions are well equipped to survive in almost any environment. So, next time you're outside at night, be sure to look under the rocks and logs. You never know what you might find. And finally, at No. 1, a scorpion's sting can kill you. When most people think of dangerous animals, they usually think of things like snakes, spiders, and sharks. But did you know that scorpions are also extremely dangerous? In fact, their sting can kill you. There are over 2,000 species of scorpion, and about 30 to 60 of them are venomous enough to kill a human. The most dangerous species of scorpion is the deathstalker. This scorpion is found in the Middle East and North Africa, and its sting is extremely painful. It can cause paralysis and even death. If you're stung by a deathstalker, you must seek medical attention immediately. There is no time to waste. Scorpions usually only sting when they feel threatened. But it's important to remember that they are wild animals and can be unpredictable. If you ever encounter a scorpion, be sure to give it plenty of space. Do not try to touch or pick it up. And if you do get stung, stay calm and seek help right away. Scorpions are truly amazing creatures. They're one of the oldest known animals on Earth, and they've survived many mass extinctions. But despite their age, they're still feared by many people today because they can be deadly if provoked. Scorpions are incredibly adaptable and can survive in a variety of habitats. They also very interesting to look at, and there are many different species to choose from if you want a pet scorpion. Just be careful around their sting. It can kill you. We hope you enjoyed learning about scorpions. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos about amazing animals. Thanks for watching.